which I sing repeatedly. Shri Krishna ji and for Radha ji. Radha ji is so dear to Shri Krishna ji that whenever she prepares food, Bhagwan comes to eat. Whenever she do her shringar, her makeup, Shri Krishna come and hold her mirror for her so that she can get ready. And whenever she go to fetch water, Shri Krishna hold the heavy pot for her. So this is the song, bhajan. राधे कौन से पुण्य किए तूने, हरि रोज तेरे घर आते हैं. राधे कौन से पुण्य